Oh.
Note on the fridge. What's it going to say about it? Same as usual.
Oh.
Got a hotspot on the wall now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the light.
Oh, it didn't even show us.
Yeah, well, you can probably guess what it's going to say at this point.
Mm-hmm.
Go into a room, I guess. Oh.
Another note, another entry to the pile. To let the bird out.
But isn't it injured?
Onto the balcony and just watch it plummet 36 floors to the ground. Oh, I wouldn't do that, bird.
Little pigeon.
Don't do that. Don't do what I just said.
Do.
Oh, it's a hop to the washing line. Hop, 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 hop.
No, don't do. No, don't do it.
What was that raindrop?
I think he was saying water. Pigeon? Give it water.
Okay.
Where does water sink?
Do we have a sink?
Bathroom sink?
Yeah, why is there no sink in the kitchen? No wonder his parents are away all the time. They're at a neighbour's house with a better kitchen.
What did you just grab?
I'm not sure, but I just filled it with water, so yeah. Good call on that, by the way. I would have been totally stuck, so thank you for solving that one for me. Okay, birdie.
Yeah, little pigeon.
Have some water. Now it wants food. Of course it does.
Picky little bird.
So let's get it some food.
Who stores bread in the refrigerator?
That's
well, it's gone.
Good question. Oh no.
Pigeon? Dove? Bird?
I told you not to do that.
Oh, there he is. Little ass. Wait. Ha!
Mash left and right to break bread. If you're playing on a joystick, you don't have much hope here.
Well, enjoy your new home. Please don't fly.
This is your home now, my child.
Why do you do this?
Oh yeah, that's the other problem about having a bird right next door. They will chirp and wake you up at like 2 in the morning, and at least that's one part about this surrealistic, trippy game that's actually quite realistic.
Don't.
Pre-dawn is the best time to scream.
Oh. Hey!
Oh no.
Bird friends!
Oh no. Don't do it. Birdie, no.
Birdie. Birdie. Oh.
Aww.
Oh, is it waving?
Bird's like, what was that alarm clock?
Not a bad apartment if the child's bedroom has a balcony.
Oh.
Whoa, don't do that. Whoa, hang on a minute. Oh, like lemmings. Okay, Mary Poppins.
That was a good idea. There's no way that would work.
No, I always, when I was small, well, I have been smaller, but when I was smaller, I always wanted to try that. Leap from the roof of the shed with an umbrella to see if it parachuted me. I never put the idea into practice.
It's probably fortunate that you didn't. Okay, so are you open yet?
Nope. Oh. Yay!
Yay!
Isn't this your job? Yeah, all right.
That used to be my job.
Oh yeah, you did, didn't you?
Sort of. I was the assistant, the gopher to someone who was doing veterinary ultrasounds. Not the vet themselves, but like if you needed to bring your dog or cat in for like an ultrasound, I was the one who would hold them still while they were running the probe, or like I'd go get the towels and all that stuff.
Yeah, did they just have to show you a picture of an object and you'd have to retrieve it from somewhere in the room? It's on the right-hand side.
Oh, so it is. Thank you. Yeah, fortunately the real-life version was actually a little easier than this. Now what? What did you want again? How do you want... okay.
Oh, no, hang on a minute. There's an arrow going into that door.
Oh, so there is. Maybe it's out here, then? Here we go.
There it is.
Oh, he builds it a new wing and it's able to shoot laser beams.
Oh, so we're just gonna let the bird sit there for a bit. Okay.
Oh, it's got a little bandage on.
Well, hopefully it won't develop the Charon virus or anything.
What's that he's holding?
It's a cage. But
Okay.
child, you can't just no, child. You can't just take the bird. No, he child.
Well, this can only end well.
Don't you have to pay for it too?
Maybe this isn't a civilized country.
Mm.
No, so sorry. The animals don't usually have healthcare insurance. What am I saying? Making the RSPCA public.